Welcome to DataGOL, your intuitive Gen AI driven platform that makes exploring, understanding, and acting on data easier. You can ask questions to the agent in natural language, and it is going to give you BI charts based on it. Here I have asked for it to show me my total sales and total transaction across each payment type on a bar chart. Within seconds, it is able to give me the Gen AI to do the work for me. If I'm happy with this chart, I simply hit this to my dashboard page. And it is as simple and easy as this. If in case the user wants to manually create these widgets for himself, he can do it from the visualizer. Visualizer is a central hub to manually create, build charts using the data that we have by simply selecting or auto typing from the search bar. Based on the combination of columns that we give, the visualizer is going to suggest the best possible visualization. In this case, for one dimension and one metric, it gave us a pie chart. If I add more column to it, it is giving me a stacked bar chart. I can pin it to a dashboard from here as well. This is how a dashboard is going to look. Dashboards on DataGOL bring your analysis to life. You can combine multiple widgets or apply filters on them and collaborate with your team, all on a shared real-time view. On every dashboard, you will have the AI report option. Every dashboard is Gen AI enabled. Just by clicking on the AI report, the DataGOL will instantly summarize what's happening, the surface key patterns, anomalies, and even recommend next steps based on the dashboard. So it is instant and very helpful for executive briefing, and it's all powered by AI. Here is a report that is generated by the AI. It's giving us executive summary, some key findings and strategic implications, and having some recommendations for consideration. On every dashboard page, you can add certain filters. These are some of the options that are available on the date filter. You can either do a custom date range filtering or do a rolling date filters, that is for last year or this year or last 90 days and so on. Let us now explore some of the other options that the user can do, that is more focused or exploration mode. So on each of the widget, you will have the explore icon. This gives a more focused and detailed view of the widget. The system is smart enough to auto suggest some of the filters based on the data set that we have. You can simply, by selecting the widget payment options here, the filters are being applied. You can also reset back to the original state. Next concept would be a drill down. The user can simply click on drill down and it gives a more detailed and focused view of the next layer. So you can drill down infinitely into different steps. From here, you can also see show point data where it gives each transaction level based on the point that we have selected on. You can see the similar data on a tabular structure. On each dashboard page, you can also manage the sizing of the layout of the widget or edit the widget. On each widget, there is an edit icon where it takes you back to the visualizer, and from here you can change the widget settings. Another thing would be to add formula column. From here, you can simply add your new formulas. Hit validate, it gives you a sample output and save. This is one widget that is created using the formulas and parameters concept, where it's comparing this year and last year data across each month and using the parameter concept. That is, currently it's taking year to be 2025 and it's comparing to 2024 as last year. Dynamically, we can change this. We can ask the system to consider 2024 as this year and it's comparing last year to be 2023 and dynamically changing half the data looks. DataGOL, you can also set alerts by simply adding alert. You can, if the value or revenue is greater than a certain value, you can ask DataGOL to send you notifications to the subscribed email ID, and you can save your alert. In conclusion, DataGOL brings the power of Gen AI, business intelligence, and collaboration into one seamless experience, helping your team move faster, uncover insights effortlessly, and drive smarter decisions. Thank you.